Honeybees are extremely important to our environment. They pollinate plants that provide humans with wonderful food, such as tasty fruits and vegetables. But have you ever wondered what happens when one bee finds a group of flowers that are full of great pollen for honey? Can the bee tell the other bees in the hive how to find the flowers? It can't draw a map. It can't talk about how to get there. So what does it do? Well, God gave the honeybee a remarkable way to communicate without using words. A worker bee that finds pollen and nectar brings them back to the beehive and passes the food to the other bees. And as the other worker bees taste the food, the bee that brought the food performs a very special dance. If the food is very far away, which normally it is, the bee does what is called the waggle dance. During the dance, it makes sounds with its wings, and the amazing thing about the dance is that it tells the other bees exactly where the food source is. The bee uses the sun as a reference point. If the bee dances in a straight line to the right, then the food is directly to the right of the sun. If the bee dances straight up, then the food is straight toward the sun. If the bee dances down the honeycomb, then the food is directly away from the sun. Furthermore, the sounds that the bee makes using its wings as it waggles its body from side to side help the other bees know how far away the food is and exactly where to find it. As you may know, the sun constantly changes its position in the sky. It moves about 1 degree to the west every 4 minutes. It just so happens that the bees understand the sun's movement and they change their dance to the other bees to help them find food as the sun moves. This remarkable dance language couldn't have evolved. Codes and languages such as this, they must have been programmed into the bees by an intelligent programmer, an intelligent designer. Not only does the bee dance show other bees the way to food, but it shows humans that there is an awesome creator and designer who gave the bees this astonishing way to communicate, and that designer is God.